Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix video issues in Gather step by step. First, open Gather and sign in to your account. After logging in, enter your workspace. Once you're inside your workspace, go to the bottom of the screen and click the small arrow next to the camera icon. This opens the camera menu. First, click Select Camera and make sure the correct camera is selected. If you have multiple cameras connected, simply choose the one you want to use. Next, click Video Effects to explore the available camera effects. You'll also find the Background and Effects option, where you can customize your camera background if this feature is available in your Gather workspace. Now, click Audio-Video Settings. In the Settings window, check that the correct camera is selected under the Camera section. While you're here, you can also review additional options such as Reduce Background Noise, Echo Cancellation, and Automatic Gain Control. These settings can help improve your overall meeting experience. If your browser requests permission to use your camera, simply click Allow so Gather can access your device. After confirming your settings, close the Settings window and return to your workspace. Finally, turn on your camera using the camera button at the bottom of the screen. Your video is now ready to use during meetings and conversations. That's how you can fix video issues in Gather. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.